Homeschooling is where children are educated at home, either by their parents, or by private tutors. Homeschooling has become popular these days, especially with kids whose parents have a moving job. This is more convenient, as changing schools is not only a problem for the parents, but also it may disturb the child's study cycle. Why go for homeschooling? Many parents also believe that homeschooling can provide their children a custom and complete education. Homeschooling is known to be the original method of teaching. Some parents also feel that along with education on various subjects, religious education is equally necessary. Most times it is not available in public schools. It may be available in private schools, but they may be too expensive for the family to afford, or faith taught in schools may be different from their family religion. Know your child's learning style. Parents should see to it that their children are not debarred from any of the education available in schools. Try to study your child and observe his or her interests. Some children show signs from a very early age. They may be into outdoor games, like to play with colors, or are drawn to music. Some may like mechanical things such as counting and building blocks, modeling clay, putting Lego together. Or they may like to read or listen to recordings of storybooks. This way you will know how to work with them, teach them, and fit in with their interests. Children learn in different ways, by touching and handling things, by listening, and by visual methods like reading. They tend to be very inquisitive and love to learn new things. You can get DVDs and instructional videos about life, science, geography, and more. This way they will be exposed to a wide concept about everything around them. National Geographic has come up with multiple series, which are very informative. You can access a lot of the information online, through the library, museums, and bookstores. Interesting and stimulating videos will help the children develop their mental faculties and will entertain them at the same time. Teaching at home is much less expensive, as for a private school you will end up paying hundreds to thousands each month or year. Try and set aside a specified amount for homeschool supplies, so that you would not have to compromise on their quality of education. This way you can buy the materials you will need throughout the year, without affecting your family budget. Homeschooling has its own benefits. Your children would always be under your watch. Also, you would know about their progress, so if they are lagging behind in some subjects, you would be able to help them. Never forget that it is the outcome that is important, so always focus your educational goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.